So welcome to my journey from startup to profitability in 100 days, or ideally less. So today I want to touch on a subject that I've mentioned in various earlier posts, but this one is just sort of now starting to really come to the forefront. So as you've built your assets and you've got your first lot of product market fit, you're speaking to clients or prospects, one thing to do is that you can start to then get really clear on what are the biggest problems you solve and what are the biggest objections that your clients will be thinking either in their head or verbally when you speak to them. So I was speaking to a prospect yesterday. I was actually just speaking to someone yesterday, and it turned out they were a small business owner working 7 days a week. And genuine empathy, I said, that must be exhausting, which he agreed. So that then becomes something that you're going to find other clients that have that similar problem and talk to those kind of pain points. So this is how we can create some great FAQs that talks about the problems in the industry and then solution. You always want to lead with problems because you want people that are time poor, which is just about everybody, that are scanning the web or your content or anything. You want them to actually identify with that problem. Otherwise, and I've touched on this earlier, they're actually never going to be a fit for you if they don't identify with the problem. So the first thing is got a number of competitor websites, and I'm asking ChatGPT, please review all these websites and list the problems that they address, and also the common objections to the service offering. So let's see what it comes up with. Okay, so typical problems that people talk about: time management, cost efficiency, scalability, access to experts, operational efficiency. Common objections that prospects would have: quality concerns, communication barrier, data security, training, onboarding, reliability, and accountability. Okay, so then we've got some sources. Okay, these are predominantly written by VA companies. Okay, so then let's go a little bit deeper. Please expand this list to the top 10. So let's get a few more data points. So I'll close this one down. Okay, so cost efficiency, looks like it's giving me almost the same response. Interesting. Okay, common objections, quality concerns, communication barriers, and things. Right. Integration with existing teams, hidden costs, limited control, legal and compliance issues. That one came up with a couple of my prospects recently, so it's definitely something that I would put near the top because I'm just seeing that. Okay, so it's giving me two different ones. I prefer this one. Okay, all right. Now, please turn these objections and problems into 7 FAQs that we can use on our website. Okay, this is cost effective. That one probably I wouldn't use. It just seems quite generic. Security measures, yep. How can I be sure that quality meets standards? Communication, how much training, what are my business needs change, kind of scale down. So there's 7 there that we can start to pick out the ones that we've identified with our audience seem to come up quite often. Again, this is about being in contact with your prospects, hearing what they say. They might not necessarily tell you to your face, but you can start to sort of gauge, well, which of the phrases, what are the most common pain points that you, and the objections that you can address, and then put all of those into FAQs. Really simple, easy place to read. Look, the vast majority of people who look at a website won't look at them, but the one that is really serious about your offering will start to look more detail at your website. You can have this, in your proposals. You can have this in a couple of different places that are quite visible to ensure that they understand and you get across your unique selling position, or that you have actually addressed their problems so that they don't have to ask you, or even worse, that you don't put this out anywhere, you don't ask the questions, and in their mind they feel that you can't solve their problem, or in the back of their mind there's this nagging feeling that you just don't know how to do that. So this is a way that you can create both content to your website and also improve almost every aspect of your communication with your customer, because you're starting to really understand the problems that they have and the objections, and you're able to then talk to those in multiple ways. So I hope you found this idea of creating FAQs with your competitors' website, training them, useful, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.